Hey babe, I'm gonna vlog because maybe this is the last snow for the year, for the winter. Yeah. What do you want to show me? Oh, it's kind of slippery.
It is so heavy.
Oh, because of the rain.
The snowplow could do anything with it. Watch it step.
Are you gonna use the snow blower?
Not right now.
Not right now. Hello, welcome to Life in America with Nelia. So today, would you believe it's the second time of the whole winter time that we have the snow? And so I'm gonna make a vlog before it melts and no more snow. So welcome to Life in America with Nelia. Happy to share with you guys what's going on right now. Yeah, so vlog tayo bago maging brown ang ground. Tanggalin ko ang aking nagpa-foggy. Kamusta kayo mga kababayan ko? How are you doing? So yeah, we're going to Walmart and maybe I can share you some shopping Walmart experience. See you there soon. Thank you for watching. Yan ang aming pamimiliin, our grocery shopping. Yan, magkape muna tayo. It's melting already. It's raining. Hala! Hala, hindi siya dito tayo? Hindi naman yung shovel ni husband to. Sige, dito tayo sa snow.
I'm not even sure the snowblower can blow it. It's so heavy.
Yeah, it's kind of heavy. Maybe because of the temperature. What you call it? It's 35 degrees right now.
Yeah, well, it's totally because of the temperature.
So it's just gonna melt. The snow.
I hope so. Because it's going to be hell to shovel, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Wow, you're going to break your back shoveling.
Yes. So that's the mess. But it's so pretty from the inside out.
Yeah, it's beautiful as long as you don't have to drive or shovel.
Yeah. The field of snow. Nice.
Yeah, very nice.
It's looking good from the outside.
Yeah, it looks like Minnesota today, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yesterday when I was driving and it's like the snow is like what do you call that? Parang sinasampal ka ng snow sa mukha. It reminds me like, oh yeah, I'm living in Minnesota. This is it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I miss it somehow, but the driving is not something I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, it's kind of slippery out this morning too.
Yeah, but it's part of the package, so it's not always a bed of roses. Paano napunta sa bed of roses?
That's right.
It's not bed of roses, bed of snow. Oh, look at that. This is what it's so beautiful.
Yeah, people slide down the hill.
Yeah, let me take that one.
Oh, look at the snow.
Look at that. Because it's only today that we have lots of snow, people take advantage of that by sledding.
Well, and all the kids are on Easter break this week.
Oh yeah.
So that's why they're out at school.
Yeah.
So maybe when we come back, we'll go down and read.
That sounds good, dear. The only thing I have not done yet is what do you call it? Sledding?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sledding, sliding, whatever.
Off the roof. I like that. You should do that again.
Oh my gosh, it's just sliding like that. I'm so glad I'm not working today, so I'm spared
I'm glad you're not working today too.
I'm spared from driving in this kind of road, my dear.
Yeah, it's
Alright, here we go guys, approaching Walmart. How do you say? Walmart? Walmart.
either. Walmart.
Walmart. Okay. Matagal na ako pero confused pa rin ako sa mga pronunciation. Ganun talaga. Mas madaling sabihin ang SM. Looks like they did their shopping yesterday before the storm. Yeah. So let's go. Join us, guys, as we do our shopping. Let's go, my dear.
Yep.
Welcome to Walmart.
Yeah.
So let's go there. Oops. Produce first. Let's pick some potato. Oh, mag-lettuce tayo. Yeah, they have a nice one here. So I'm gonna grab this lettuce. Look at that, they have corn.
Yeah.
Wanna grab some?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe just two. There are gonna be plenty of corn anyway. Sign of summer corn.
Just put it right there.
Okay, dear. Looks pretty. Peppers, dear.
Ooh, nice one.
Yeah, it's nice. This is what we got right now. And more. Hey babe, pretzel. Pretzel original down there. Alright. My favorite pretzel. Take it away. Okay, enjoy. I'm gonna go to the other side. Let me check out some of this. Let's go somewhere else. Dun, dun, dun. Alright. One bowl and one plate. It's kind of big, but that's fine. Okay, let's look for a dish. Soap is here. And where's the dawn? There's no dawn. Okay, dawn is here. It's on the side. So let's get this one. Oh, it's big. Not that big. This one.
Yeah, film it.
So this is Hamlet's Corner.
Yeah, maybe 3 7
Hey, I've seen this one. Maybe this is the one. But there's no extra gravy the way Hamlet likes.
That's what we usually do.
Oh yeah. That's Hamlet food, our baby food. Yeah, Hamlet like that. Extra gravy pate.
With tuna.
Is it the right one?
Okay.
All
I
right.
think it is, yeah.
Okay. Yellow mustard. Let's get some. Oh, blueberry muffin. That is a new one. Okay, I want a fresh French vanilla. Come over here. Yep, that's it. French vanilla. Let's grab a bacon. I want some fat bacon. Smoke. This is a pound. Look at this. So meaty. Maganda yung fat. Kasi crunchy. How much? 12 ounces. Like puro plastic. Let's get another one. I think this one is better. Let's get another one again. Gusto yun. Oh, ito puro laman. Hindi masarap. Dapat may tapa. Taba Gold. I think this one is better. Is this the right one? Kasi minsan hindi tama yung nabibili ko. Let's put it this way. Ayan. I think I like this. This is the one I'm buying. Butter there. I'm gonna get a yogurt. Okay, my dear?
Yeah.
Okay. So yogurt for me. I like this one. This is what I like. Berries, strawberries. So, dito tayo sa magandang packaging. Kasama sa bayad yan. That is it. How you doing, my dear?
Yeah.
You got the butter?
Right there.
Did you get?
I got the butter. Put it right here.
All right. Looking for tomato paste. Go. Here you go. Tomato paste. I want hands the small one tomato paste. Where is it? Why? Here you go. Gotcha. Tomato paste, my dear. Yeah. Walmart really improved a lot here. It's so pretty now, so organized and everything. Yeah, let's grab this one. I want sweet Italian sausage for my spaghetti. Alright. Was thinking of getting tilapia. How many pieces is this? Just I need 2 for the 2 of us. Tilapia is real. This is okay. Tilapia dear. Tilapia my dear. Okay. Jesus. Oh, look at the tilapia. Yes. Nakita niyo yan? Chicken feet. Hey babe, chicken feet. No. No. Oh, you're a chicken feet. Okay, di wag. Alright, let's look for a ribs. That would be perfect. If I could find the ribs. Tingnan mo yan. To $11.52. I'm behind you. Found you there. Let's get some barbecue sauce. It's perfect for the ribs. Alright, we're done. Almost done checking out. Si husband rin na lang baba. This is all we got. We're done shopping at Walmart.
Have a good day.
Bye Walmart for now. See you in our next trip to Walmart. Ito na siya. Kaching no more.
Watch out for the snow.
And Becca is not. Oh wow. Look at the outside world. It's raining. It's raining, my dear. So we're gonna load up this stuff. It's raining, mga kapatid. Let's
Yeah, it's bad. Messy.
Nasty there. It's raining. It started with the snow. It ends with a bang. Where's the eggs?
Alright, that's it.
Okay. I'll just drop this
Yeah,
car
thanks.
wherever I could. Have it. Okay. Bye, cart. Hi!
Wow, it's coming. Maybe if it was colder, this would be snow.
Oh my! Ah,
We're lucky it is rain.
yeah, rain. Why I'm shouting? Ah, it's raining.
Yeah.
So we're done shopping and we're home, guys. So yeah, it was fun, and I hope you like. I hope you watch the video. So before I end, happy birthday, Ian. I love you, pamangkin. Happy birthday, Auntie Susay. Auntie, happy birthday. Cheryl, happy birthday as well. And congratulations to your wedding, Cheryl and June. And here regards to Nanay and the rest of our family and friends from the Philippines. And by the way, if you are on your visa processing and you need some help or assistance, so if you need visa assistance or help with your visa processing, whether you are spousal, tourist visa, fiancé visa, or you're in the Philippines or in the US already, I recommend you to check out Filipino visa. Click or copy paste the link in the description of this video. So thank you guys. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, Life in America with Nelia, please click that button, subscribe, like, and click also that notification so you can be updated on my next video. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your support. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.